So this is just gonna be a quick drive just so you guys can hear what sound it is that you hear when your sway bar end links have gone to shit. That was a good sound there. A not so good sound, but good for this purpose. It's usually over bumps that you really hear it, so kind of heard it there. But like really uneven pavement, and then this thing is just rattling up a storm. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear it, and it's just driven me crazy. So enough postponing on these. It's not even an upgrade. Well, technically it's an upgrade, but more maintenance, you know. It's just something that had to be done. Don't hear it that much from the outside, but just being in here, and like the things are like right there. They're right at your feet, so like the sound isn't constantly there because there's some good smooth patches of road here and there, but for the most part it's just uneven pavement, and it's not fun. Those look nice. Yeah, I went with the adjustable ones. I don't think I need the adjustment. I like the way they look. And obviously the ones I have now are very noisy, so Whiteline. These are definitely thicker than the ones I have now, that's for sure. And I mean, no one's ever gonna see underneath the car, but me knowing that these nice sway bar end links are there, like, man, they're hefty compared to the ones that are on that thing now. Maybe at some point down the future we'll look into getting a sway bar, maybe Whiteline, maybe we'll try something else, but we'll do this first because I'm completely over with that clicking and clacking down the road. Oh yeah, this is the culprit. A little bit.
Is it just loose or it's broken?
It's old and loose and broken. This is a good time to mention you'll need a 15mm wrench and a 7mm wrench. I'll be honest, it took me quite a while to realize I needed a 7mm wrench to keep the nut from spinning in place, so please don't make the same mistakes I did. Okay, so they look pretty good, I think. Most importantly, it's nice and buttoned up. Got the nice caliper there. Here we have the other one. Whiteline, of course. This one has a little tiny bit of play, but I can't seem to tighten it any more than I already have. Let's see if I can figure out exactly where I can tighten it a little bit more. But I think it's time we take it out for a spin and see if it was all worth it. think it's better. Like you don't really hear it, like unless you hit like a real big bump.
Well, I barely heard that like
Yeah.
kind of like this.
Like on this here, it would have like been making a lot of noise on this pavement.
Was it both of them or just one?
One was tighter than the other, so like I tightened them up. Man, these streets are fucked, boy.
Oh, bro, this shit's been like this for fucking.
Like, man, I need to bring the Blazer for this kind of fucking shit.
Yeah.
Are we even in the city? What the hell?
Yeah, anything never fix that. I usually go to one. There's one right on 18th and House Street. I like going to that one, and that's, you know, it's a decent one, but motherfuckers be getting shot right there. Just go to get a burger, you catch a bullet too.
Oh, get a burger with a side of fucking bullets.
Hell yeah. This ain't the good shit. You smoking, so you know what the good shit is.
Yeah.
I got busted a long ass time ago fucking smoking, dog. We had like 5 dudes in the car parked in the alley. Windows were up and shit. And dude, the fucking cop pulled up right next to me. I'm like, fuck. It's 1 in the morning at that, you know? I'm like, fuck. I put the window down. I put these 2 windows down. And just all the smoke.
Hit his ass in the face.
And he's like, and he was a white guy. I was like, y'all flaming it up in there, huh? We were all confused, like yeah, man.
Should have been like, nah, man, the car's having problems.
Fucking having smoke problems.
And through the
man.
belt, it's like smoking up a
It's
storm.
The smoke, the belt's reversing and the smoke's coming in the car.
Yeah. That's coolant. That's coolant you're smelling there.